Oke, nomor 3. The shaded region on the Argand diagram show points of representing complex number z defined by two inequalities. The shaded region is bounded by a circle and a line parallel to the real axis. The boundaries of the region are included in the shaded region. Find two inequalities in terms of z that define the shaded region. Okay, so we have a loci here. The loci have the center of -2, I. Okay, and we have another line. This is imaginary line. Imaginary z equals to -1. Okay, so this region is below the imaginary inequality of z and is within the region of the loci. Oke, jadi untuk loci-nya sendiri we need to know two information. One is the center, which we already know, and the other is the radius ya. Jadi kita harus cari radiusnya dia. Di sini radiusnya equals to 3 ya. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have the center and the radius, so we just input that. Z, okay, the general equation for loci is z minus z1 equals to radius. Okay, so in this case z minus the z1 would be -2 plus I. Okay, jadi we have that less than or equal ya, because kenapa kita pakai equal? Because we have a solid line. Yeah, we are not using construction line. If it's construction line, then it's just less than without the equal sign. Okay, equal less than or equal than 3. Okay, the second part, the imaginary inequality of z. Because if we see this part, the region, the shaded region is under the line, so that is less or equal than -1. Okay, jadi we have two, the imaginary z inequality less than -1, and the loci. Yeah, if we want to simplify this, we can write it like this. Just open the bracket. Okay, that is number 3a. So we have the loci and we have the imaginary inequality. Okay, then find the greatest value of z 4 points in this region. Okay, so which part are we talking about? Okay, kita harus lihat di sini. Partnya adalah yang dari 0 sampai ke sini. Okay. Okay, let me use line. So from here, okay, I cannot do the line thingy. Okay, just use normal one. So we are looking at this part. Okay, ya, jadi dari 0 sampai ke posisi ini. Kenapa kita mulai dari 0? Ya, because of this. This means distance from origin. Ya, jadi this is distance from origin. We can use couple of way. Ya, kalau kita lihat di sini, this is part of the circle. Ya, with the coordinate of y equals to -1. So we can use the normal circle equation, which is x minus a square plus y minus b square equals to r square, where a and b is the center of circle. Okay, so in this case, the center, as I said, is -2, 1. Nah, berarti kita tinggal masukin aja x plus 2 square plus y minus 1 square equals to 3 square. Okay, now we know that the y is -1. Okay, so I just input that. I open this first, x square. Okay, x square plus 4x plus 4. -1 become -2, so that is 4 equals to 9. So we have x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 4, 8, -1 equals to 0. Ya, jadi intinya kita mau tahu dulu koordinat yang, let's say this is x lah ya. So we want to know the coordinate of x first. Why? Because we will use the distance. Yeah, we will use distance to find the x. Yeah. So in this case kita udah dapat koordinatnya. We get the quadratic equation for the coordinate. Nah, next thing we just have to we have to factorize. Okay, so here we have, I just use the quadratic formula. So -4 plus minus square root of b square, which is 16, minus 4 times 1 times -1 over 2 times 1. So this is x1, 2. Okay, now we have -4 plus minus square root of 20 over 2. If we simplify this will become -4 plus minus 2 square root of 5 divided by 2, or the final one would be equals to -2 plus minus square root of 5. Okay, so we have x1, 2, we have 2 here. Nah, sekarang kita udah tahu, this one we know, and x we know, and then we have y, this is equals to 1, so we use the Pythagoras. Yeah, we can use Pythagoras to find the distance. Okay, so the distance would be distance equals to square root of 1 square plus -2 plus -2 minus, yeah, in this case square root of 5 square. Okay, wait, let me check again. -2 minus, yeah, -2 minus, yeah, okay, -2 minus. So the final answer would be square root of 10 plus 4 square root of 5. Okay, this is the final answer for number 3B. Okay, so again, just now I want to check ya, karena dia ada 2 ya, -2 plus square root of 5. So the -2 plus square root of 5 would be around here, and this one is -2 negative square root of 5. So please make sure when you have to answer like this, make sure that you use the right one, because kalau sampai salah pilih, itu final answer-nya akan beda. Oke? Ya, jadi dia bisa dari sini ke sini jaraknya, dari sini ke sini, atau dari sini ke sini. So we have to be careful on which one you are using. Okay, so final answer again, that is square root of 10 plus 4 square root of 5. Okay,